So I've got a big guy at the moment, and he's able to run around the scene, pick up cannonballs, and we've got a counter cannonball. I feel a little bit restricted by this teeny little window that I'm working in. It can work for some games that you've got this kind of small arena, but I want to have a bigger platformer with a larger area to explore, so let's do that. So I can zoom out, use the zoom up here, and what I'm going to do is I've highlighted my floor, Control C, Control V. Try that again, Control C, Control V. Oh, yeah. Did I get an extra one? I did. Wasn't paying enough attention. I'm going to be a little bit careful because if I put this down here, you'll remember when the guy goes below this level, he will be reset. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go, just for now, like this, and we'll hit play, and we'll see that he can actually go outside the bounds of this little box. Unfortunately, the camera is not going to follow him, so that's going to be like the next thing that we do. So off he goes over there, and yeah, he's over there. The game's still playing, but the camera's not following him. So let's go and fix that. So in the event sheet, we're going to add a new event, and we're going to leave this blank. I'll explain why in a second. But if we go to add action, other actions, you'll see that there's layers and cameras, and we can center the camera on an object. And we can choose what object to center on, which is big guy. This video is good to watch because it shows you how to do a slightly smoother camera. At the moment, he's just going to be dead center of the screen all the time, and it just looks more professional, looks nicer if you follow what this guy does. Just a 5-minute video. And if I hit play, we will see that work, and we'll see some issues, an issue with that as well. Yeah, don't know why it asks me that sometimes. So here I am, moving around, collecting these things, all going well. But what you'll notice is the cannonball count is not in the top left corner, it's stuck at the same position in the layer. Let's fix that, shall we? And I kind of gave it away there by saying layer. So what we need to do is go into the scene, and there's a button up here which is layers editor, and you've got a base layer at the moment. We can add another layer, and I'm going to call this by convention we call it HUD for head up display, and basically it's just, you know, we're going to have anything that we want constantly to be showing for the user. So maybe lives, cannonball count, HP bars, I don't know, stuff like that. So I've added that HUD layer, and what we're going to do is this cannonball display is currently on the base layer, as is everything. If you look at all of these things, they're all staying on the base layer. This one we can change which layer it's on. We're going to put it on the HUD layer, and that is not affected by the camera. It's just going to stay in the same place all the way through. Should solve that problem. Yeah, there you see the cannonball count is going up, and it's staying in the same place all the time. Cool, and that's enough for that video.